Bangladesh, one of the world's most water-rich countries, has always shared a deep connection with rivers, boats, and fish. For millions, fish is modern food, it is culture, it is tradition, and for many families, it is the only source of livelihood. Today, we explore the vibrant yet challenging world of Bangladeshi fish markets, where life begins long before sunrise and where survival depends on strength, patience, and determination. Across the country, from bustling Dhaka to coastal towns like Cox's Bazar and Barishal, thousands of people wake up at dawn to keep this massive industry alive. This documentary takes you inside their world, a world filled with noise, crowds, negotiations, the smell of fresh catch, and the never-ending fight to earn a living. The day begins at dawn. At 4 a.m., the sky is still dark, but the fish markets are already awake. Fishermen arrive with the night's catch: hilsa, rui, katla, pangas, tilapia, shrimp, lobster, and dozens of local fish species. Their boats have been in the river for hours, sometimes fighting rough waves and unpredictable weather. For these fishermen, every night is a gamble. They risk their lives for what they can catch. Some nights are rewarding, some nights they return empty-handed. But no matter what they bring, they must sell it before sunrise because the market waits for no one. Porters rush in carrying heavy baskets on their shoulders. Ice melts on the ground. Buyers shout out prices. This is the sound of survival. This is the rhythm of Bangladesh's fish economy. The middlemen and wholesale chaos. Once the fish arrives, the auction begins. Wholesalers, locally known as araddars, play a powerful role. They stand in the middle of fishermen and retailers, controlling prices and distribution. Here, deals happen not quietly, but with loud calls, hand signals, and fast negotiations. A single auction can last less than 30 seconds. The fish will change hands several times before reaching the customer. This chain, fisherman to middleman to retailer, is the backbone of the market, but it also means profit is scattered across many hands. The ones who work the hardest often earn the least. Hard work behind every basket of fish. A fish market is not just a place to buy and sell. It is a stage where different people fight their own personal battles every single day. The fisherman, exhausted after long nights, hopes today's catch will feed his family. The porter, drenched in sweat, carries 20 or 30 baskets before noon. The retailer, standing by his stall all day, must shout to attract customers. The women, often behind the scenes, clean, sort, and pack fish for hours. The smell is strong, the work is dirty, and yet thousands depend on it to survive. Price fluctuations and daily uncertainty. In these markets, nothing is stable, not even the price of fish. A sudden storm, a weak catch, transport delays, or increased demand can cause prices to jump within minutes. For many workers, income is unpredictable. A good day can bring enough earnings to support their family. A bad day means borrowing money, skipping meals, or waiting for the next chance. Despite this uncertainty, they keep going, driven by hope and resilience. A closer look at Hilsa, the pride of Bangladesh. No Bangladeshi fish market is complete without Hilsa, the national fish. Its silver shine and rich flavor make it one of the most prized catches. During peak season, Hilsa becomes the center of excitement and competition. Prices vary wildly. Sometimes small fish cost less, while larger Hilsa sell for shocking amounts. But even Hilsa fishermen face tough challenges: storms, strict government regulations, and increased competition. The Hilsa story reflects the largest struggle of Bangladesh's fishing community, a proud tradition fighting against modern pressures. The human side, stories behind the market. Beyond the chaos and noise, every person in the market has a story. A fisherman who lost his boat in a storm but never gave up. A young porter saving money to go to school. A widow selling fish to raise her children alone. A retailer dreaming of owning a cold storage shop someday. These stories remind us that the fish market is not just about trade, it is about people, ordinary people with extraordinary strength. Hygiene, challenges, and the push for modernization. Traditional fish markets in Bangladesh face many problems. Poor hygiene, lack of proper ice storage, narrow walkways, overcrowded stalls, limited access to clean water, uncontrolled middleman influence, and rising operational costs. Despite these struggles, change is slowly happening. New modern fish markets are emerging. Government projects are improving storage facilities. Young entrepreneurs are entering the industry with fresh ideas. Online fish delivery, hygienic processing, and advanced freezing technologies. Still, the road to modernization is long, and those who suffer most are the daily workers who depend on the old system. The unseen heroes of the market. The people who work in fish markets rarely receive recognition. They are up before sunrise, they work in wet, slippery floors for hours, their clothes smell of fish, their hands are rough and cut from handling sharp scales. Yet, without them, fish would never reach our homes, our restaurants, or our celebrations. They are the silent engine of Bangladesh's food chain. Every piece of fish we enjoy carries the unseen sweat of hundreds of people. Their work makes our meals possible. Hope for the future. Despite the difficulties, the fish industry in Bangladesh is evolving. Aquaculture is growing rapidly. New technologies are reducing waste. Training programs are improving fishermen's safety. Women are entering the industry in larger numbers. Young people are starting successful fish farms. The traditional market is transforming, and with these changes, there is hope. Hope for better income, safer working conditions, and a more sustainable fishing culture. A final reflection. The Bangladesh fish market is not just a place of business, it is a living ecosystem, full of struggle and success, chaos and order, disappointment and determination. Every day, thousands of workers fight to keep this industry alive. They work hard, they struggle, they carry the weight of real-life truths that most of us never see. Their story deserves to be told, because behind every fish sold, there is a human story. A story of sacrifice, survival, and the unbreakable spirit of Bangladesh.